Hello friends. Earlier we have discussed about the relation. Now today we will discuss about the function. Function, if we consider two non-empty sets, let A and B be two non-empty sets, then a function f which associates each element x belongs to A to exactly one element, that is unique element of B, is called a function from A to B and is denoted by f such that A to B or this way. Through mapping, try to understand this. If we consider this set A in which the elements are 1, 2 and 3 and another set B in which the elements are 1, 4 and 9, we see that every element of A is having an image in set B. 1 is related to 1, 2 the image is 4, 3 the image is 9. So according to the definition of function, this will be an example of function. If we consider another example in which we see that set A in which 4 elements are given, A, B, C and D, set B in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. We see that A, the image of A is 1, image of C is 2 and image of D is 4. But we see that the image of B is not there. B is not related to any element of set B. So this is not a function. This will not be the example of a function. Another example if we consider in which we see that set A, B, C, D 4 elements are there. In set B also 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. We see that A, image of A is 1, B, the image is 2 and image is 3, C related to 4 and D is related to 4. In this also we have the drawback that the element B is having 2 images. So one element cannot have 2 images. So this also will not be the example of a function. Now the domain, range and codomain of the function. First, domain, you know that for f such that A to B, A is called the domain of the function. First set A will be known as the domain of the function. Codomain, if A tends to B, B is called the codomain of f. Means the second set elements all will be the codomain. Range, set of all images of elements of set A under f is called the range or image of the function f. Important point, range is always a subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Through example, try to understand. If we consider a set A in which 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there, set B 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these are the elements. We see that 1 related to 5, 2 related to 7, 3 the image is 8 and 4 its image is 6. From this figure mapping we see that the image of 1 is 5, image of 2 is 7, image of 3 is 8 and image of 4 is 6. Means all the elements of set A are related to the elements of set B. When we talk about the pre-image of 5 in set B, this will be the pre-image. So the pre-image of 5 is 1, 6 is 4, 7 is 2, 8 is 3, but we see that 9, the pre-image of 9 is none. It is not related to any of the element of set A. So we can say that image, second set element associated with first set element, and pre-image means first set elements associated with second set elements. Now we will talk about the types of functions. Types of functions, you can see 8 types of functions I have already mentioned here. This one function, second is many one function, onto function, one onto function, many one onto function, into function, one into function, and many one into function. So let us discuss first one function, in which A and B are two non-empty sets. So the different elements of A have different images in B. For that, fx1 is equal to fx2 implies that x1 equals to x2. Through graph, we will try to understand. On a graph paper, when we draw this figure, we see that on x and y axis this parabola, and when we draw a line parallel to x axis, when we draw this line parallel to x axis, we see that this intersect this in two distinct points. So when this distinct in two distinct points, since parallel line intersecting at more than one point, so this one is not a one function. Another example we consider, again we need to draw a graph. We see that this is the graph, and again when we draw a parallel line parallel to x axis, we see that it exactly intersects at one point. So this is the example of one function. Through mapping diagram also you can understand A set and B set. If we consider, in set A 1, 2, 3 elements are there, in set B A, B, C and D 4 elements are there. We see that every element of set A has image in set B, 1 A, 2 B and 3 C. In set B we see that D is not having any pre-image, so doesn't matter. So this is also an example of one function. Now second one, many one function. If two or more different elements of A have same image in B, means x1 not equal to x2, two different elements are not equal, fx1 is equal to fx2. Through this graph also you can understand the same way, x-axis, y-axis, and when we draw a line parallel to x-axis, we see that it intersects the graph in two distinct points. Since parallel line intersects at more than one point, so this is many one function. Another example, through mapping, we see that 1 have image to A, 2 also the same image A, 3 the image is C and 4 the image is D. We see that 1 and 2 different elements are there, but they are having the same image. So this is many one function. Now the third one, onto or surjective function. If each element of B has its pre-image in A, then the function is onto function. Through this mapping, try to understand. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are given. In set B, A, B, C and D are the elements. We see that F inverse A is 1, means the pre-image of A is 1. Pre-image of B is 4. We see that pre-image of B is 4 and pre-image of C is 2 and pre-image of D is 3. So this is an example of onto function. Now the next one is one onto function. One onto function, a function which is one and onto. So for example, this example we can consider it may be related one and onto. So this will be related to these elements. So this is one and onto. Many one onto function, a function which is both many one and onto. So many one onto function. Into function, a function in which there is at least one element in B. This word is important, at least one element in B which is not image of the any element of A. Consider this set A and B. 1 is related to A, 2 B, 3 C, and in set B we see that D is not related to any of the element of set A. So F1 is A, F2 is B, F3 is C. D is not having any relation with set element of set A. So this is the example of into function. The next one is 1 into function. 1 into function, a function which is both 1 and into, that is 1 into. For example, f such that n to n, f of x is equal to 2x. We see that f is equal to 1, then it will be 2, then 4, 3, 6 and so on. So the range will be 2, 4, 6 and so on, and the codomain is n natural numbers. So this is 1 into function. Then many one onto function, in which if we consider f of x is equal to x square, f such that z to z, we see that f minus 1 is equal to 1 and f1 is equal to 1, means the different elements got same image, and when different elements they got same image, so it is many one, and f of x is equal to x square. If we put 1, 2, 3 and so on, we'll get 0, 1, 4, 9 and so on. Only few elements are present. All the elements are not included in that. So these are the types of functions that I have already explained, and now we will consider the next exercise based on these types of functions, and questions are given in the next exercise.